Just wanted to give you a quick update of my challenge and just show you a couple of trades that I've taken this week. Now, I'm just over 4% in drawdown. It's 9,580 something in that account, in the 10,000 account. So I've managed to come back a little bit. These three trades that I've taken this week, I took on 0.5% because we basically hit our 5% drawdown limit. I changed my limit to 5%, and obviously a couple of these were JPY pairs anyway, so I split my risk. So I'm just going to show you to begin with then. We've got our CHF JPY, which entered here on Friday actually. So we've got our cross, we've got our breaker structure, we've got our entry here, and then it spiked down, hit the 30% level here, or in fact, I entered these at 75%. So it entered at the it crossed the 50% level and went back to break even. So it spiked down, came back up, and it's still kind of basically going sideways. So this was a break even trade. USD JPY, I basically came out of this with break even as well. So we've got our breaker structure. Again, very similar price action, came back to our entry, hit our 50% in this case, which was our 1-to-1 for break even, and then it's come back to stop us out at break even. And then this one here, I did around one. I actually got out of this blue line here because I set an alert on it. So 1.87R basically. So that's what I got out of this one. Obviously 0.5% risk was just under a 1% gain. So set this one up here, breaker structure, came back, spiked down into my entry here. It actually went past the zero level because this was the zero level here. And at which point I moved my stop loss just under this low here, and it came back to stop me out. So as I say, we're looking at a 1.8R gain for this week. We've got, or so far, I've not got any other trades that I'm in or lining up or anything at the moment. So we've got our gains here. So we're still just over 4% in drawdown. So we're going to see what happens next week. I just recorded a backtesting video for you guys, and for whatever reason, it didn't record the screen. It only recorded me. So I'm going to have to re-record that and post that again for you guys next week, because I wanted to really show you how I backtest, how I really get the most out of this strategy so that you guys can take it, copy it, implement it, and do everything that you need for yourself. So anyway, that's just it for the quick update for this week. That's the trades that I've taken. That's where we're up to. And I'll let you know, keep you guys updated of any new trades and anything that we're looking to enter for the rest of this week and heading into next week. So that's it for now, and I will talk to you guys real soon. Take care.